Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, May 30, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, May 30, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 30, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, May 30, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for May 30, 2026 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, May 30, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.